How to fix this person is unavailable on Messenger error. In this video, I will guide you step by step on how you can fix this problem. The first thing you want to do is open the Messenger app. Now, you want to find the account where you're facing this issue. Then go ahead and tap and hold on that. Now find the option of restrict, select that. Once you have restricted this person, it will no longer be available over here. Now what you want to do is tap on the menu icon. Then go ahead and select settings. Now select privacy and safety. Here find the option of restricted account, select that. Now tap on the account that you have just restricted. Tap on the continue option. Now go ahead and unrestrict that person. Once you have unrestricted that person, you will be easily able to send them a message and the issue will also be fixed. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.